Sorry, teacher. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I have a very interesting.
Yes. And you could be giving me my keys. Thank you. Today we are going to learn about math. Math is very simple. Math is numbers.
Oh my God, teacher. Oh my God.
What's happening?
Are you
Give
good?
come now. Give come. Give come. Give come. Nobody. We're out. We're out. We need to identify roots. Identify the
Just stay calm. Then you will go out. You're going to get trapped.
Oh my God.
What happened?
After that, we need to go to the meeting point. Where is the meeting? There is a meeting point. There is a meeting point.
Stay calm. Stay calm.
Yes. As soon as we are safe on the meeting point, we need to cover our head. Cover it, kids. Then we need to evacuate this building right now and wait for instructions. Here in Cervantes, Costa Rica, we are worried about your health.
That's why in each classroom we got some instructions for your safety.
To these rappers, I apologize. I know it ain't fair. Only ball I drop. New Year's, Times Square. The world is mine. 6 cents. I see the 7 cents. Now, baby, let's get started for life.